She got a zoom zoom speed. She got a zoom 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 speed. Hey y'all. So today I'm doing an unboxing video. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the ultimate. Oh girl, please get in focus. Can you see her? It's the ultimate skin spa. I'm gonna have to turn this down. It's the Ultimate Skin Spa by Vanity Planet. So it has the 360-degree head rotation, dual speed and 3 brush heads, the daily cleansing brush, ultra soft bristles, use every day for a clearer complexion, the exfoliating brush, firmer bristles, use 2 to 3 times a week for an even deeper clean, and the silicone brush, gentle bristles, use daily, great for those with sensitive skin. Gotcha. The Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa is a dual speed spin brush that purifies your skin to help reveal your natural glow. With 3 interchangeable brush heads, cleansing brush, exfoliating brush, and silicone brush, it ensures all your facial care needs are met. Its convenient travel case keeps your set clean and collected. Perfect for traveling or for safe storage at home. It says or. With 2 speed settings, you can use the lower speed for a gentle topical cleanse or higher speed for deeper exfoliation. The deepest clean gently but thoroughly removes hard to get dirt, makeup, debris, and dead skin cells. At home or on the go. Includes a hard protective case for storage and travel. Shower friendly, water resistant, perfect for the sink or shower. No cords needed, powered by 2 AA batteries, not included. Great. Experience spa level custom facial cleansing at home. Okay, now that I just read the box to you, let's get this baby open. That took so much time. Okay, now, this is by Vanity Planet, and I've used their spin for perfect skin before, and girl, I love her. She's a good Judy. I really liked it. I used it before and after shaving my face. And every once in a while just to get a good exfoliant going on, and it really did provide me with a fresh layer of skin. So it comes with this little booklet, the user guide. I'm not gonna read no more to y'all, but it really just does give you everything. Look at her, she's giving, this feels so good. This feels so good on my skin. Can I turn this down? It's giving too bright. This feels so good on my skin. I love it. I love it so much. Yeah. Soft bristles. I'm having too much fun, this girl. I'm looking a little oily. Okay. So I guess this is the case. This is the little case it comes in. I'm gonna just use this clicker right here because there's so much going on. Maybe I'll take the lock off. Okay, so we have this. It's a cute little case. It's cute. I like her. Girl, the brushes, they're all over the place as is. Here it comes. So it comes with this brush. It really didn't come with no batteries. I might find some batteries just to show y'all real quick. But yeah, it comes with a little button, little twisting head. How do I take this off? I guess it pops right off. And I guess this is the daily one. It's pretty soft. They all feel really soft, but I think from what it showed me, the one with the black in the middle is the exfoliating brush. Yes, the dark one is the exfoliating brush and the gray one is the daily cleanser. Fits in the palm of your hand. It feels good. It's got a nice grip on it. And a silicone brush. This baby really does feel pretty small. Okay, I'm gonna be right back because I want to go find some batteries. There's like a little paper cloth in here. Oh, if you see right here, there's like a little turn dial. It's like a little turn lock thing. And I guess that lets you open. Yeah, that's interesting. Interesting concept. You know, because usually you have the little things that you gotta push down to make it pop open. But they have this little like turn dial thing. And there's like paper in there. Give me 2 seconds and I'm gonna go look for some batteries. We ain't had no batteries, so I took some out the remote. I'm gonna have to go get some from the 99-cent store, but while I'm recording this video. Oh girl, she already on. Miss Girl. Let me press the button. Okay, so it looks like she got 2 speeds. Yeah, she spins all the way around, girl. Yeah, so she got a zoom speed. She got a zoom speed. 2 speed setting. Let me see if I can switch the brush so you can see it a little bit more. Can y'all see? Y'all see? Let me I'll make it focus. Here we go. So zoom number 1, zoom number 2. But yeah, that's the unboxing video. It's cute. I'm excited to use it. From the Spin for Perfect Skin that I have, I'm not a user of it every day. I usually just do it like before and after shaving to help pull away dead skin and whatnot. But I might also use this to exfoliate because this one has a couple different brushes for different options, but I don't think I'll be using it every day. I think it's just, I find that like spin brushes are too harsh on the skin to do them every day. If you're not doing it like with like facial hair to help exfoliate dead skin and stuff and to like prevent ingrown hairs, I'm like once or twice a week at most. I really do feel like it's enough on top of your regular like skin regimen. But yeah, this is the unboxing video of the Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa. That's it. Until next time. XOMO. I'll let y'all know how it is, like in about a month or so, how it goes. Excuse me. I'm so sorry.